Embark on a journey of ensuring safety for the little ones in your car. Step 1. Pick the right seat. It should be apt for your child's age, weight, and height. It must also comply with your region's safety standards and regulations. Step 2. Don't skip the instructions. Each seat has specific installation guidelines, so take time to read them. Step 3. Location matters. Position the seat in the center of the rear seat, often deemed the safest spot. Step 4. Install the seat. The method varies based on the type of seat, so follow the suitable technique. Step 5. Adjust the straps and harnesses. They should snugly fit around the child, ensuring utmost safety. Step 6. Double-check the installation. The seat should be firm and immovable. Step 7. Keep yourself educated. Stay updated about local laws and safety practices. Remember, if you're unsure, don't hesitate to seek help from a certified child passenger safety technician. Safety comes first, always.